Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 204 different strategies, with 66 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 94 other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. And we have also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we get started, I wanted to announce that we are doing a giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of March, and the winners will be announced then. There will be 3 winners, and the winners will get a 1-month free membership to our Patreon, which will give you access to all the Patreon benefits, including access to the Academy of Forex indicator, again for that 1 month. If you are already a patron of the channel, you will be refunded that monetary value of the difference. To be eligible to win, you will need to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, like this video, and leave a comment just saying hi or whatever you want to say. And you also need to join the Discord. That is the most important part. That is where the winner will be picked and announced. And again, this ends at the end of March of 2024. So the source video on the strategy says, the Hall Butterfly Oscillator predicts trends for massive profits. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, of course, as I've said before, the title specifies the Hall Butterfly Oscillator itself, but it doesn't actually use just the Hall Butterfly Oscillator. And so, interesting enough. Let's go ahead and hide the 2 indicators here. The first indicator, of course, we'll put on screen is going to be the Hall Butterfly Oscillator, and so it'll be this one right here. And you'll add that to the screen. It'll look like this here, and you'll keep all the settings on the default. You wouldn't need to change anything there. The next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the Andean Oscillator, this one right here. Again, you'll add that to the screen, and it'll look like this here. I did go in and under the style tab here, I made the bullish component this vibrant green color, the bearish component the vibrant red color, and I bumped up the line weight of these to the next one up, the second selection there, just so that way you can see them a tad bit easier. And of course, you can see down here at the bottom, just makes them a tad bit more visible. So what we're looking for in the case of a short trade is we are looking for the Andean Oscillator, the red line, to cross up above both the other lines. And when it crosses up above both the other lines, you are looking for the first instance where the bars of the Hall Butterfly cross down below this first line right here. Now, I did forget that on the Hall Butterfly, this first selection here, I changed this from histogram to columns. It just makes it easier to see the actual columns there. And so anyways, what we're looking for is when we get that cross of that first line right there. You can see that there are 2 lines, and we get the cross below the first one there. When both those are met, it's going to be your signal to enter into a short. You'll set your trade right there. You're going to set your stop at 7%. And so move this up here, right there. It's going to put us at 7%. You can see right here where my cursor is, it says 7% there, and you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Right there is good. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And you can see that we make a really nice push to the downside there, getting us to our take profit. All right, and for a long trade, what we're looking for is going to be when the Andean oscillator, the green line, crosses up above both of the orange and the red, both the lines there, the orange and red line. Now, of course, you can see here that's a tad bit difficult to see there. But if I zoom in on this really tight, you can see that the green line has in fact crossed up above the orange and the red is down below there. Then we are looking for that same Hall butterfly bar, the first one to cross up above that first line right here. And when those meet up there, that's going to be your signal into a long trade. Again, we're going to set our trade there. We're going to set our stop at the same 7% right there. And we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Should be good. 1.53, but that's all right. Play forward and see what we get. And you can see there, takes a little bit longer this time, but we eventually stair step our way up, getting ourselves to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winning trades and 23 losing trades, putting it at a 54% win rate. Now with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your drawdown would have been $9,200 for a total gain of $7,000 altogether. Not too bad over about 3 weeks worth of trading, and so not too bad at all. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 43 trades. We had 37 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. On the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, the same $600, you would have gained $22,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $5,400 for a total gain of $16,800. So about a little more than double your profits on it. But if you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly signals here. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs. This one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the trades that we would have taken on the Forex pairs. This last week we had 4 trades altogether, 3 winning trades, 1 losing trade. A 75% win rate would have been a gain of $1,020. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade, a 100% win rate. Would have been a gain of $600 for the week. You would have been up $1,620. 14 weeks now, at the 14-week total, we would have been up $24,640. You can see the growth of the account here and more information about it here. So good stuff. All right, so for this strategy here, we are going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list. Definitely like this one. Seemed to do really well and was able to generate some decent profits in the testing. All right, that's it for this one. We'll move on to the next video from here.